Engine thrust dropped to zero. No explosion. No visible damage. Just silence.
At this altitude, the aircraft doesn't fall. It becomes a glider.
The crew immediately recognized a dual-engine flameout.
Altitude began decreasing. Glide performance now mattered. The nearest runway was 40 miles ahead.
Without thrust, range was limited. Every mile counted.
They calculated glide distance against remaining altitude.
First restart attempt initiated.
No ignition.
The engines remained silent.
Altitude was running.
Second restart attempt. N2 rotation increasing. Signs of relight.
Combustion restored in engine 1. One engine came back online.
The descent stabilized under single-engine power. They committed to a diversion.
Single-engine landing was now possible. Approach was stabilized.
The aircraft landed safely.
No panic, only procedure.